Hello students, now let us see the example number 4.2 from the NCERT textbook from chemical kinetics. What the question is saying, the decomposition of N2O5 in CCl4 at 318 Kelvin has been studied by the monitoring the concentration of N2O5 in the solution. Initially concentration of N2O5 is what is CN2O5, they have given initial 2.33, this is the mole per liter. After the 184 minutes, this is the T is equal to 0 and T is equal to 184 minute. It is reduced to how much, student? That is CN2O5, how much it is reduced? It is 2.08. The reaction takes place according to the equation. So they have given 2N2O5 is equal to, it is giving rise 4NO2, right students? So calculate the average rate of reaction in terms of hours, minutes and second. Oh my god, in terms of hours, then in terms of minute, then in terms of second. What is the rate of production of NO2 during this process? Okay, calculate the average rate of reaction, then production. Okay, let us see student rate of reaction. I know they are asking, so average rate of reaction. So average rate of reaction is what, student? Change in the concentration. Okay, change in the concentration, we can write here change in concentration. Okay, and divided by that is time taken. So how to solve, student? So rate is equal to what is, this is the coefficient equation. So that is 1 by 2, that is for reactant minus sign, dN2O5 upon dt is equal to what will come, student? 1 by 4 dNO2 by dt. So this we have to apply because they are asking the rate of formation of NO2. So first of all we have to understand that is rate of reaction in term of the N2O5. So you take any one. So rate of reaction, if they are asking rate of reaction, so what we can write, student? That is we can take the rate of reaction in minus dN2O5 upon dt, right student? So what is there, student? That is minus sign is there, initial and final concentration is there, student. What is this? Is the final concentration 2.08 and initial concentration 2.33. so how can you do, student? 2.33 minus 2.08 and time they have given, student, 184 0 to 184. This is 184 in minutes. Okay, now if you are solving this is so how much it will come, student? 1.36 mole inverse and minutes one. Okay, mole inverse and meter inverse. Now if you are converting this into the hours, okay, so rate into hours, rate in hours. So rate in hours, how to calculate? This is the minutes, so divided by 60. So you will be able to get in the hours. So rate of reaction in hours, how to calculate, student? So directly you can say that is minus 2 point minus 2.33 minus 2.08. Okay, divided by what? The value should be in the hours means that is 184 by 60, 184 by 60, right? So you are going to get, student, how much? 3.0. so you are going to get here, student, it is coming how much, students? It is coming 0.16 into 10 power minus 2 mole liter inverse and hours inverse. Okay, here I think something is missing here. Mole liter inverse mole liter is also there here, and this is in the hours. If they are asking in the second, okay, second, so what we have to do, we have to multiply. So how can you calculate? Minus 2.33, okay, and minus 2.08 divided by how much? That is 180 into 60, right, student? So how much coming, student? It is coming 2.26 into 10 power minus 5 now mole liter inverse and second inverse. This is our answers. Now students, what we have to, mole per liter, what we have wrote here, the unit, students, here is mole per liter is there, okay, little confused solution. Now next one, they are asking rate of formation, student, they are asking rate of formation of NO2. So how can you solve this problem, student? So rate of formation of NO2, rate of formation of NO2. So if you are going to calculate rate of formation of NO2, so that is rate of appearance equal to rate of disappearance. So what was the equation, student? You see the equation, 2N2O4 is there, na, 2N2O4. So here already expression is there, this expression we are going to use, student. So rate of formation is what, student? So minus d N2O5 of this is 1 by 2 dt, giving rise positive sign 1 by 4 d NO2 upon what, student? That is dt, right? So what we can do, student, what we will be able to do, here you put down the values, students, okay. So if you are putting the values, cross multiplying, 2 to the 4, so that is d negative sign N2O5 upon dt is equal to 1 by 2 upon 1 by 2 dNO2 upon dt, right? So cross multiply it out, student. If you are cross multiply, so 2 minus 2 d N2O5 upon dt equal to what? dNO2. So dNO2 they are asking rate upon dt. This they are asking rate of formation. So up now minus 2 N2O5 concentration is given, student. N2O5 concentration in minute they have given. Already we have calculated how much, student? 1.36 somewhere we have calculated in minutes, mole in hours. This is the 1.36 mole liter inverse per minute. So we can put the value here, multiply by 1.36 into 10 power minus 3, this total value we got, okay, and so equal to what is, student? It is equal to dNO2 by dt. So that they are asking, so you can multiply it out, student. So formation will be in the positive sign only. So after multiplying, how much you will dNO2 upon dt, how much you are going to get, student? That is 2 into 1.36 into 10 power minus 3. So it is coming 2.72 into 10 power minus 3 mole liter inverse and minute inverse. This is our rate of formation of NO2. Thank you so much for watching, friends.